This acquisition marks a pivotal moment for Strangeworks as it aims to become a global leader in applied AI, optimization, and quantum computing. By merging Strangeworks' quantum and high-performance computing platforms with Quantagonia's advanced solver orchestration and AI-driven decision-making tools, the company plans to expand its reach and accessibility across industries. Quantagonia's presence in Munich and Frankfurt further strengthens Strangeworks' Calculate. European operations, supported by leading investors like IBM, Hitachi Ventures, and Lightspeed Venture Partners. The combined entity will build on Strangeworks' existing solutions, unlocking vast market opportunities by seamlessly integrating Quantagonia's expertise in mathematical optimization, hybrid solver orchestration technology, and AI-powered decision-making tools. This integration empowers customers to tackle complex computational challenges, whether in life sciences, finance, energy, or logistics, with a diverse array of classical, hybrid, quantum, and quantum-inspired technologies. For the first time, this acquisition removes long-standing barriers for both technical experts and non-technical users, enabling anyone within an enterprise to harness applied AI to solve real-world problems. The merger instantly opens new go-to-market opportunities by connecting Strangeworks' global footprint with Quantagonia's innovative solutions, previously inaccessible to many. At the heart of Quantagonia's value are two groundbreaking technologies: the solver orchestration engine, a hardware-agnostic solver management system that dynamically coordinates multiple top-tier solvers to achieve superior performance, and AI-powered decision-making solutions powered by large language models, LLMs. These tools eliminate the need for deep mathematical or programming expertise, offering a natural language interface that allows non-technical professionals, such as operations managers or supply chain specialists, to formulate and solve problems independently. This acquisition isn't just about combining two companies. It's about uniting two visionary goals to create a transformative impact for organizations seeking to leverage advanced computing, said Worley, founder and CEO of Strangeworks. We're thrilled to welcome Dirk, Philip, and the entire Quantagonia team to our family. Their expertise in applied AI and optimization will drive innovation across Europe and beyond. Dirk Zekiel, co-founder and CEO of Quantagonia, added, "Joining forces with Strangeworks will allow us to scale rapidly, serve more customers, and democratize sophisticated optimization capabilities globally." As the quantum computing sector matures, acquisitions like this are critical for firms aiming to demonstrate competitive advantage. According to Bob Sorensen, chief quantum analyst at Hyperion Research, Strangeworks' acquisition of Quantagonia, combining Worley's pioneering leadership in quantum computing with Dirk Zekiel's veteran optimization expertise, positions the company to accelerate progress in the quantum classical optimization space. Quantagonia's expansion into Munich and Frankfurt further bolsters Strangeworks' global presence, with backing from investors like IBM and Hitachi Ventures. The merged entity now stands poised for significant global growth, delivering next-generation computing solutions to enterprises worldwide. But here's where it gets controversial. Will this consolidation stifle innovation, or will it accelerate the evolution of AI-driven optimization? And what does this mean for the future of quantum computing in the business world? As the industry shifts toward hybrid and quantum solutions, the balance between collaboration and competition remains a central question.